In this video, I'll show you how to hide the reels you've liked on Instagram from your friends. First, go to the App Store on your phone. Then tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once the app is updated, open Instagram. Now tap on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. At the top, you'll see a Friends tab. Tap on it. This section shows reels that your friends have liked. If your settings allow it, your liked reels can also appear here for others. To hide your activity, go to your Instagram profile and tap the three lines, menu icon, in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Activity and Friends tab. Here you will see an option to control who can see your activity. Set this option to no one. Once you do that, the reels you like or comment on will no longer appear in your friends' activity section. And that's it! Your liked reels are now hidden from your followers. Thanks for watching and see you soon.